The light is hurting my eyes. It's gonna be shameful. My hands are dry. Hi guys, stay in school kids. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. From the title you can see that I'm about to do something that no man or woman should ever do because this is long. I got this idea from Nella Rose because I saw her doing her maths GCSE paper and I said, listen, this is something that I feel like it's a bit of me, you know what I mean? And also, like, I like watching all these trivia videos and stuff on YouTube. I'll link Nella Rose's video down below. Before we get into this video, subscribe. It's gonna be here. It's gonna be hitting this little box here, yeah? You see it? Subscribe. Turn on your bell notifications too so you can be notified when I do decide to upload, because right now the uploading schedule is a bit of a mazza. Also, I would like to thank all of you guys for your support, for sharing the ting, for watching the ting, for subscribing. Thank you so much. Let's get into the video. In front of me I've got a notebook and a pen. I don't have a pencil because I was like, the only person marking this is me, so I don't really see the need for me to get a pencil. I also have a ruler. However, the maths GCSE paper that I was going to do was my year 11 one. However, when I tried to record the first time, there was like no sound for half the video, and I'm not about to do a voiceover because it doesn't make sense. So I'm redoing the exam. However, I'm doing my year 10 maths paper because we had the opportunity to do it in year 10 and 11. It's Edexcel Maths Linear Non-Calculator Higher Tier paper. I was SHIT at maths and I always have been. It's always been one of the subjects I've wanted to be good at. Never have been. God said no when it came to maths and science for me. Even English is just a hit and miss, you know. I'm just waffling bears because I have nothing better to do with my life instead of me to finish the video and take off my makeup because it's midnight. Whatever. Materials required for examination. Ruler, gradiated. Do I not know how to speak English? Materials required for examination. Ruler, graduated in centimeters and millimeters. Protractor and compass, I don't know where it is. Simplify. 6x plus 9y plus 2y equals, it even says minus, I said equals. I need to get my eyes tested. 3x plus 9y plus 2x minus 3y. So wait, don't I? I don't add them together, do I? Or do I? It says simplify, so I could. Let me write it down, yeah? I'm gonna go with 8x plus 6y. Here are the weights in grams of 16 eggs. Okay. Draw a line. Where's the English going? Like, I know this is a maths paper, but I should be able to read simple English. Draw an ordered stem and leaf. What is stem? I don't even know what stem and leaf is. What is stem and leaf? Draw an ordered stem and leaf diagram to show this information. You must include a key. I can't do that because evidently I can't go and now, you know what I mean? I only recently learned how to actually do percentages off the top of my head, and I don't even know how to do anything bigger than 20%, and that's only because I want to know about discounts. And you want me to do stem and leaf. I don't remember learning about it. Can't do this one. Don't have a protractor. Yeah, can't do this one. Next. Nigel travelled from his home to his friend's home 40 kilometres away. He stayed at his friend's house for 30 minutes. Yeah, forget about it. No, can't do that. That's long, fam. Yeah. Do you know what gets on my nerves? You say there's 27 questions. There's not 27 questions. There's like 58 because you add mini questions. So don't do that to me. Triangle T has been drawn on the grid. Rotate triangle T 80 degrees about the point 1. I don't even know how to say this. It's coordinates, right? Label the new triangle. Wait, where's 1? Where's 1? Oh, it's this way. It's upside down. We flip it upside down, innit? Yeah, I don't know. Bye. Describe fully the single transformation which maps shape P onto shapes. I was going to say squee. Where is the English? Where is the English? Describe fully the single transformation which maps shape P onto shape Q. Is it double? It's doubled. It's been doubled. Aye, it's been doubled in size. It's doubled in size, brother. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how to get the 3 marks because I don't remember what they used to tell us. What? I'm lost at this point. Anna and Bill share £40 in the ratio 2 to... Is it 2 to 3? Work out how much each person gets. Oh, actually, so half is £20. I'm gonna say Anna got £30 and he got 10. Is this higher? Because this paper, nah, stop it. This paper is easier than the first one that I tried to do. Question 8. What? Oh, mate, listen, there's so much writing, man. It's supposed to be numbers, bro. Sasha carried out a survey of 60 students. She asked them how many CDs they each have. This table shows information about the numbers of CDs these students have. Write down the class. Yeah, I don't know how to do that. Next. Work out the volume of... Nah, I can't do that. Work out 4.52 times 36. Comment down below if you, man, when you were doing your GCSE maths papers, had this problem where you were doing your non-calculator paper and felt like you needed a calculator more than when you were doing the calculator paper. Because how the hell do you expect me to work this out off my head? Mental maths, I can't do it. Oh, listen, I can't. No, stop it. There are 300 people in the cinema. 1/6 of the 300 people are boys. 3/10 of the 300 people are girls. The rest of the people are... This question doesn't make sense. 1/6 of 300 people are boys. 3/10 of the 300 people are girls. The rest of the people are adults. Are adults not girls and boys as well? Are they not male and female? Whatever. Work out how many people are adults. So 1/6. Okay, so let's say 50 people are boys. Okay, let's try this question. Question 11. No, let's say 150. 150 are boys? I feel like it's a lot of babies. Yeah, no. But if at the cinema, more time, I feel like it's going to be a kid's film than it is going to be an adult's film, right? What are we going to say 3/10? So I was going to say 30 to be fair. But then it's like, no, I'm not going to say 30 actually. I can't do this question, it's hard. Work out the size of the... Yeah, I can't do that. Don't know how to do that. And Neil wants to find out how many DVDs people buy. He uses this question on a questionnaire. How many DVDs do you buy? Do people still buy DVDs now? Where would you buy it from? Asda and Tesco? Do people even have DVD players now? Write down 2 different things wrong with this question. What if somebody buys... Oh, I don't know. What's wrong with the question? How many DVDs do you buy? What's wrong with the question? He wants to know how many DVDs people buy. And he asked, how many DVDs do you buy? And he gave you guys 4 boxes. I don't understand. What's wrong with the question? I can't. No, next. My head hurts. Complete the table of value. I'm going to go get some tea. I can't do this. Got me my tea. Because I feel like I need it to give me energy. Because right now... the energy is just, it was just decreasing. This is giving me a migraine. It's hot. Yeah, I can't do this question. Complete the table of values. Y equals X to... Yeah, no, sorry. Yeah, I can't do that one then either. Use your graph to find estimates of... No, can't do that. If you don't laugh with me as you're watching this video, I'm gonna feel some type of way. Am I dumb? Is that what it is? Because I've attempted 3.5 questions. Yeah, we don't even know if this is right. So I must be dumb because I'm sure you lot are gonna be able to at least do 10 questions. Like, what? Like, I'm actually deep in it. I've done 3.5 questions. 3.5 questions. We're now on question 15. It's saying express 180 as a product of its prime factors. I don't know. Like, I'm juggling a bunch of emotions here. Like, I don't know if I should cry. I don't know if I should laugh. Like, it's just, you know. I'm gonna say 9 and call it a day. Work out. Yeah, I can't do this one either, no. How do you factorize? It's 4. Factorize 3x. plus 12 is 4. It's 4. The answer is 4. It's 4, 100%. Solve, yeah, can't do that one. Expand and simplify, I can't do that. Factorize fully. How do you... Forget about it. I don't know how I passed my maths GCSEs. Next. I think I know this one.
It was all a lie. She lied.
10% of 400 is 40. So then it'll be... Let me write this down. So then it would be 10% of the set of the first year's price. And if I did 20%, it'd be... Oh, this is getting complicated, you know. The numbers aren't adding up. This is as far as my brain goes when it comes to maths. I can't do anymore because now my brain is tightened. Here are some expressions. What? The letters A, B, and C represent lengths. N and 4 are numbers that have no dimension. Can't do it, it's too much. Solve the simultaneous equations. I can't. Listen, before all of you lots come for me in wherever telling me, Amina, you're dumb, yeah? Amina, come on, man. Let me tell you something. I used to be sick at simultaneous equations. I don't know what's going on. I don't know how to do this question. Maybe it's because I haven't exercised my brain properly, because you know what? I work in retail. Retail is mind-numbingly boring. Retail is a bag of trash. Working in retail shouldn't even be a thing. Why do they do that as well? Why do you leave blank paper? You know, this is why global warming is a thing, because you lots are leaving too much spaces. Like, come on, man. If there's no question there, why are you leaving it blank? Add a question there. Save some paper, fam. Save some trees. What's this? The table gives some information about the delays in minutes of 80 flights. Write down, I don't know how to do that. Skip. A straight line passes through 0 to 2 and 3 to 10. Find it, can't do that. Find the value of, what's this? What's that? What is that? Is the answer 0? 64, okay. 64 and a half, is that 32? I don't know how to do the third one, sorry. I'm so glad I don't have to do my GCSEs. I don't understand what life skills it taught me. You didn't teach me any life skills that I'm using right now in this current day and age. You made us go through all this hell. Then we had to do A-levels and go through all that hell and lack of sleep. And it still wasn't enough. And then, you know, uni, for those who decided to go off to uni, I was one of them. I'm not academic, so why did I do that? I'm not an academic. Let me give you guys the kicker. I decided, after nearly 2 years of being out of education, to throw myself back in and attempt to do a master's. Who sent me? Because really and truly, I don't know what I'm doing. I can really cry. All measurements are in blah blah blah. I can't, sorry. Oh, this one looks easy. Okay. There are 3 orange sweets, 2 red sweets, and 5 yellow sweets in a bag. Sarah takes a sweet at random. She eats the sweet. She then takes another sweet at random. Work out the probability that both sweets are the same colour. She's more likely gonna eat the yellow sweets because there's more of them inside, right? It's telling me it's a 4-mark question. How am I supposed to... You didn't give me lines to write that. You gave me blank space to write my workings out. I don't know how to do that. P, Q, and T are points on the circumference of a circle, center 0. Okay. The line ATB is the tangent of T to the circle. Okay. Yeah, no, it's too much. It's the end of the paper. Answered 5.5, not even 5. 5 1/3 questions out of 27. Well, out of 50 something, because there wasn't just 27 questions, there were mini questions. If I got these 5 right, you should like the video. Even if I didn't get the 5 right, you should like the video, because I tried. I really tried. I had my spirits broken by this paper. I don't know how to do this. All you man them that are doing your GCSEs, I salute you. All of us who have had to endure this GCSEs and the A-levels, yeah. Honestly, I can't even formulate words right now, because honestly, the education system is actually mad. It's really, really mad. You put us through all this torture. You taught us about yamming sweets, but you didn't teach us about saving peas. Great stuff. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching me shame myself to the masses on another level. I will link where I got this hoodie from. I will also link a couple of black-owned businesses that I think that you should follow. There's also a protest that's happening for SHUKRI ABDI on the 27th. Attend. We need justice for the kids because it's despicable. You can't be still looking for Madeleine McCann and not trying to... The killers are there. They've been handed to you on a silver platter and you just want to brush it down the sides. Good on you, innit? Good on you, stupid idiots. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye! It's right, we got this wrong. Finally got this wrong. Hey. See, you're a phone now. Who sent me? Look at you, you don't even have to do simple maths. GCSE maths. I'd like to thank, I'd like to thank all of ya. Why do I just relax and it's not that deep. Nah, scrap it. Just look at this. See this? This is how you know it. I'm brighter. You can see me. It looks like the studio lights, but there is no studio lights. Wow. Hey. When I shoot, they're so mute.